Order number 8, motion, inquiry regarding sexual harassment of female workers in tea estates in Kericho County.
Honorable members, I think I should stand guided. Had we already, we had proposed the question. Yeah. Yes. Honorable members, I now put the question that the motion be amended by A, inserting the following words immediately after figure 2023, subject to the insertion of the following recommendations in paragraph 74 after sub-paragraph 9 on page 23 of the report, and 10, where the tea estates are found culpable of acts of commission or omission regarding the sexual harassment of their employees, the government should ensure that the tea estates adequately compensate the victims for the damages occasioned by these heinous acts. And 11, the government should provide psychosocial support to the victims to mitigate the effects of these traumatic experiences and aid them in their recovery. And B, that the consequential amendments be effected in the report thereof. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. We now call upon the mover to reply.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I wish to start by thanking the Honorable Beatrice Kemei, who brought this matter to this House, the issue to do with sexual harassment of female